gonna show you our project IoT based home automation system over the cloud. In our project, we have our hardware requirements such as our power supply, which regulates and gives us 5 volt, and this 5 volt is given to our electromechanical relay and also our node MCU. In this region, we have DHT11 sensor where it senses the temperature and humidity sensor, and here's the I2C OLED screen display where it displays the status of a load of our node MCU. And here is our solid state relays which is connected from our node MCU to control higher electrical load appliances. Whereas for electromechanical relays, this is for controlling our lower electrical appliances. Yes. So here we have 3 ways to control our load appliances. First is our web page where we get where the IP address is shown in this display, and second is our app. So as you can see here, where you can see the buttons to switch on or off our load appliances, and third is our Google Assistant. Yes, here's a
Hello friends, welcome to Textadicel. In this video, we'll make a very useful home automation system using the Node MCU to control all the appliances with Google Assistant and from the Alexa app. And you can also control the appliances manually with switches and monitor the real-time status in the Google Home and Alexa app. Let me show you how it works. Hey Google, turn on all the lamps.
Alright, turning 3 lights on.
Hey Google, turn off room light.
Alright, turning off the room light.
Alexa, turn on room light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off night lamp.
Okay.
Hey Google, turn on night lamp.
Okay, turning on the night lamp.
Thus, you can easily control the appliances from anywhere in the world using the Google Assistant and Alexa. And you don't need any Alexa device like Echo Dot or Google Home for this project. You can just use their Android app. Now let me control the appliances manually from the switches, and you can see I can easily control all the appliances. Now let me turn off the internet and show you how it works without internet. I have turned off the Wi-Fi so I can control these lamps only from the manual switches, and there is some delay as you can see. After I turn off the switch, it will take some time. Now let me turn on the Wi-Fi again. After turning on the Wi-Fi, the Node MCU will automatically connect with the Wi-Fi, and then we can control the appliances both from Google Assistant and Alexa. Let me show you. Hey Google, turn off night lamp.
Okay, turning the night lamp off.
Hey Google, turn off room light.
Turning off the room light.
So thus you can easily control the appliances with Alexa, Google and from manual switches. And you can make this project without using any custom designed PCB. You just have to use a Node MCU and a relay module to make this project. And during the video I will share the complete circuit diagram code for this project, so you can easily make this project for your home. Let's get started. To make this project, we just need a node MCU, a 4-channel relay module, and you can use the existing switchboard or push button. Now you have to connect all these components as per this circuit diagram. As you can see, the circuit is very simple. I have connected these switches across the GPIO pin and the ground pin, and this is the AC circuit, and this is live, and this is neutral wire. Please take proper safety precaution while connecting these appliances with the relay module. Now if you use push button instead of switches, then you have to refer this circuit. And again, I have connected these push buttons across the GPIO pins and the ground pin. As you can see, there are a lot of connection. So to give the project a professional look, I have designed a PCB for this project and order it from the JLC PCB. You can order any custom design PCB from JLC PCB with 3 simple steps. First, upload the GAVA file. Then select the parameter like quantity, PCB masking color. Then place the order. If you select faster delivery service, then you will get the PCB within a week. And as you can see, the quality of the PCB is very premium in this affordable price range. So you can always try JLC PCB for your any custom design PCB project. Now these are the components required for the PCB. Now I will quickly solder all the components on the PCB. Now let me connect the node MCU with the PCB. Now before uploading the code, I have to configure the Synric account. For that, I will use Synric Pro, and you have to visit this page. I have mentioned the link in the description. Then click on sign up, and you have to mention all these details to create an account. I already have an account in Synric Pro, so I will click on login and enter the credential and then click on login. This is the dashboard. First we will go to rooms, and here I will add one room. You can give any name, but I am giving living room, and then click on save. So our room created. Then we will go to devices. So here I am using the free version, so I can add maximum 3 devices. First we have to click on add devices, then give the name of the device. I am giving room light. Device type will be switch, and I will select the room as living room. Then I will click on next. Now if you want any notification related to that device, then you can turn it on. I don't need that notification, and again I will tap on next, and then I will click on save. Our device is created. In similar way, I will create the next 2 devices. So I have created these devices, and each device has a unique ID, you can see, which will be required in the code. Now we can program the node MCU for this project. This is the code for this project. You can download this code from our website iotcircuithub.com. Just visit the article link given in the description. Then you can download the code from this button. And in this code I have mentioned all the required link where you can download the board and libraries, or you can